So we're just going to lean this way a little. Lean this way a little. Oh, you feel how stiff that is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so do something a little different here you're not used to.
Okay.
But it's going to feel really good. We're going to go just like this here. It's an adjustment. It's just a little bit different angle than you're probably used to. So you're just going to relax your head in my hand. There you go. Relax right here.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's different.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like real high up.
Yeah, it like feels like right here.
It's all them
That's where it went to.
suboccipitals we're digging into. Mm-hmm. We got a bunch left to do, but I kind of had to do that just to get it started.
No, that feels good.
It's weird, right?
Mm-hmm.